So good day everyone, here we have a problem. In S sub 4, let A, 1, 4, 3, and 2. And in B, we have 1, 2, and 3, 4. So we have here the problem, what is the order of A, of B, and of AB? In letter B, list the elements of A, and C, show or prove that BA is equal to A prime B. So in A, as we all know, we have the given A is equal to 1, 4, 3, 2. Dito makikita natin or maalata naman natin na there are 4 cycles and 4 orders. So in B, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dito naman, we have the product of two disjoint transposition. Dito, mahalata din natin na dito sa 1 and 2, we have 2 cycles, and 3, 4, may dalawang cycles din yan. So, mangyayari dito, 2 cycles. Ang mangyayari dito, ang 1 pwede maging 2, ang 2 pwede maging 1. So dito sa 3, 4, ang 3 pwede maging 4, at ang 4 pwede maging 3. Kasi ang permutation ng 1 is 2, permutation ng 2 is 1, permutation ng 3 is 4, and 4 is to 3. So what is the order of AB? Ito na po yun. 4 cycles, 4 orders. So sa B, 2 cycles. Ito yung pat ko nasabing 2 cycles kasi nga ang 1 and 2 ulitin, permutation ng 1 is 2 at ang permutation ng 2 is 1. So tag 2 cycles nila. So dito naman sa order ng A and B. Sabihin na lang natin X, BX, and A, BX. So dito, makikita natin sa X is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then yung permutation ng 1, 2. Permutation ng 2 magiging 1, 3 is to 4, and 4 is to 3. Then next here, A times B times X. Ang mangyayari lang po dito is pag ganyan. So sabihin natin A, BX, or ito po is a 1, B2, B3, and B4. So A, ano po yung B1 natin? B1 is to 2, B2 is to 1, B3 is to 4, and B4 is to 3. So mangyayari dito, or just let's say simply that the order of A and B is ito, A2, A1, A4, and A3. Next, pupunta tayo sa letter B, or list the elements of A, B. So, shown naman dito that, or given naman, that A is equal to 1, 4, 3, 2, or that is the elements of A. Or just simply saying that A is equal to E, our identity, A squared, A cubed. Identity, A squared, and A cubed. So, umpisa natin, ito na yung A natin is, ito na po siya, which is A is equal to 1, 4, 3, 2. Then sa A squared, 1, 4, 3, 2 squared. Makikita naman natin dito that we have 4 cycles squared. So, ang mangyayari dito is magiging 1, 3 and 2, 4. Ito naman tayo sa a cube. 1, 4, 3, 2 cube is equal to 1, our identity. Ang 4 magiging 2, ang 3 magiging 4, at ang 2 magiging 3. Or simply sabihin na natin yung permutation is 1, 4, 3, 2. The identity, ang 4 magiging 2, ang 4 magiging 2, pag ganyan siya, sorry. At ang 4 magiging 3, at ang 3 magiging 2. So, ang element po ng A na hinahanap po dito sa letter B, our identity, yung A natin, 1, 4, 3, 2, A squared, asan yung A squared natin? Ito po, 1, 3, 2, 4, at ang A cube po natin is 1, 2, 4, 3. So dito, ito na po yung elements of A. So let's try to show or prove that BA is equal to A prime B. So dito po sa letter C, hindi ko pa po masyado napag-aralan, pero ang nasabi po sa ChatGPT that BA and A prime B is equal to 1, 3, 4, and 2.